Can't access your PC right now? Don't worry, with TeamViewer you can control it from anywhere using your phone. Let's see how. First, install and open the TeamViewer app on both your phone and your computer. Once the app opens on your computer, you'll see your ID and password displayed on the screen. Now, open the TeamViewer app on your phone and enter the ID into the Partner ID field. After that, tap on Connect button to continue. Next, enter the password shown on your computer and tap OK to connect. Once connected, you'll be able to see and control your computer screen directly from your phone. You can move the cursor, click, scroll, and type using the touch controls on your phone. If needed, you can also access extra options like the keyboard, settings, and display controls within the app. When you're done, simply tap cross icon to end the session. And that's it. You now know how to control your computer remotely using TeamViewer. Thanks for watching.